The Dow Jones is down, the NASDAQ is down, the S&P 500 is down, but why? Let's talk about it because there's a lot going on, and as always, it's a little bit more complicated than just one or two things, and today it's a bunch of things. My name is Kenneth, and I teach my almost 500,000 social media followers how to trade, invest, and simplify their lives. So if any of that is interesting to you, smash that follow, and if you're one of the new thousands of followers I've picked up in the last few days, thanks and welcome. The headline on CNBC is the Dow and NASDAQ drop 1% as oil spikes on escalating Middle East tension. According to the US government, we believe that Iran is imminently about to attack Israel, and that will just cause so much more instability globally. And this in and of itself could explain away a lot of why the market is down, but you'll also note that Apple stock is down pretty significantly. And one of the reasons is that iPhone 16 builds are being cut due to weak demand. There's also this unbelievable fire at an India plant that manufactures components for iPhones. So now Apple is kind of scrambling. Should they go back to China? That can cause delays. That can cause problems. There's also this unbelievable hurricane that has just wreaked havoc over some parts of our country. 137 people are dead so far. And you can see down here that hundreds of roads remain closed. There's power outages, there's infrastructure problems. This can all also impact the markets. And as if there wasn't enough going on, we have this historic, massive strike. Dock workers at seaports across the US and Gulf coasts, which, like we know, have been impacted because of this hurricane, are now going on strike. And of course, the unknown about strikes is, will it be resolved tomorrow or in a few days? Then hey, probably no big deal. But what if this thing draws on for weeks or months? Keep in mind, it's October. Holiday season's just around the corner. People are going to be ordering, buying stuff. This could impact things again globally. As you can see, there's a lot going on. What do you do if you're a new investor? Well, hey, you know what? If you're a new investor or you're not a new investor, you have to remember why you're here. You're investing in the stock market, not for tomorrow or next month or even next year. You're in this game for 10, 20, or 30 years. So if you're a new investor, just remind yourself of that, relax, focus on the big picture, smash that follow. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.